All right, I got to get the blocks.
Now the car went up fine to a certain point, and then since it's really low right here, it's hitting. So what he's gonna go ahead and do is he's gonna go ahead and get his RV blocks, and these are blocks that you can find at any RV store. Notice the trailer, it curves, so that's where the problem is at. Once he gets over that curve, then he'll be fine.
I'm gonna have you in the car.
All right.
I'm gonna have to do this.
Car doesn't open from the outside.
It's in reverse right now, but go ahead.
All right.
You're gonna go forward. You're gonna get the car off the. Stop! 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 Stop. Okay, put it in reverse. Get it all the way down. Okay, stop. Okay, now go forward so I can put the blocks. Go forward a little bit. Go back. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Go back again. Right there, right there. Hold on, hold on. Okay. Hold on. All right, go forward. Okay, go ahead, go forward. Go back, go back. Whoa, 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 right there. Go back and hold the brake. Whoa, 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 right there, right there, right there, right there.
Oh my God.
Piece of shit car. Okay, now go forward. Slowly, you got it. Hold on. Hold the brake. Okay, go ahead.
And do what?
Go forward or back?
It won't go back. It won't go forward.
Go ahead. Okay, go forward. Okay, go forward. Whoa, 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 whoa. All right, go back. Go back until I go back about a foot. I'll stop you. And hold the brake. Go. Oh, no, no.
I can't hold the brake and the clutch and the gas.
Open the door. I'll hold the brake. Fuck.
Not like stick shift cars.
Go ahead. Go back.
It's gonna go down.
Let go of the clutch. Okay, ready? I'll hold the brake. Okay, go. Oh shit, it's not working.
Yeah, it's not working.
Because you gotta. Okay, let me do that.
Turn it off?
No. Get off. Oh shit! No, 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 no.
See, it's still moving. I can't get off.
Fuck.
Why don't you put blocks on the front tires so I don't roll? I mean, we do have wheel shocks. Got one on each tire in the front. Yes.
Okay, go ahead, try it. Not too, just a little bit. Once you get it going a little bit, don't stop. Until
I don't know. You need to talk to me. What am I doing? Am I going
you're,
up 10
you're doing
feet?
fine until I stop you.
Am I going up 10 feet?
You're doing great until I stop you. I just want the only thing you gotta worry is
How much?
fuck. Don't worry about other stuff.
How far do I
Go,
go up?
go. I'll stop you. Okay, back up. Watch me. Keep going, don't stop. Hold on. Hold on. Back up. Back up, back up, back up.
It's so frustrating.
Go forward. Okay, back up.
Can you put the blocks? I want the blocks because, of course, this is a stick shift. I'm going on a... I'm gonna go forward.
Oh shit. Stop. Let me back it up.
I can't.
No, don't shut it off. Put the emergency brake on. You think you can throw in reverse? Good. Back up.
What's your finger doing? I need to know which way.
Back. Oh! Holy shit.
Yeah, you told me to turn it that way.
No, no. Fuck. Back up. Go down. Go down. No. Don't oversteer it. Okay, put the emergency brake on. All right, get off. Okay, go on that side, take the block off. You're gonna have to guide me back.
Stop, stop. Go ahead.
Guide me back.
Go. that. Turn it off. That's where it's staying.
Hey! I'm gonna have to raise this. I need a foot away from that car.
You're 2 feet.
I gotta go back. Am I centered?
Let me check. Hold on.
How many inches?
Well, the back is different from the front.
Okay, so if I go back, what do I need to do? Which way am I? Guide me back.
Listen, the back tires are...
I understand that. Listen, which way do I got to turn my wheel? So
Stop. Let me explain. The back tires are too much this way. The front tires are fine. You almost have to go front and back again.
But I got to go a foot back.
Yeah, but the tires are too much this way. You can't correct it at this point.
You got the wheel shocks all the way?
Yeah.
Guide me back. Guide me back.
All right, now go that way.
Which way?
You need to put that tire more that way. That tire
So
that
turn
way.
my wheel that way?
Yeah.
Which way? To the right, left?
I don't know. The back tire has to go more towards the
Well, guide me back. Like you're backing up a car. I can't see what I'm doing here.
Oh, okay. Come on. No, not that way. The other way. Okay, fix the tires in front.
Okay, tell me which way I gotta turn it.
You gotta turn it that way.
To the right.
The other way, the other way. The other way, stop. All right.
It's good
You're
right
good
there?
on distance. Straighten out this tire.
A foot in the back?
Yeah, straighten out the tire.
Which way?
That way. Okay, right there.
Put the wheel shock on the wheel. Hurry. God, they need no emergency brake.
That's what I said.
Put these blocks away, please. Stack them up and put them away. And throw this away. You're driving the next car up.
What?
You're driving the next car.
All right.
Already lost a lot of time loading this little nice looking legit car.
The Z isn't exactly centered on the trailer. It's more on the passenger side a little than the driver's side, but we were struggling so much that it's on the trailer. It's good. So as you saw, this lowered car was a pain in the butt, but it's on the trailer.
Pain in the butt. You don't know how to follow directions. You're looking at the steering wheel.
No.
Admit it. You were looking at the steering wheel.
Stop. No, I wasn't. You told me to go like this, and then immediately you told me to go like
But
that.
at the end, you said,
No.
I'm going straight because of my steering wheel.
No, I said, I said I wanted you to line me up straight from the bottom so I don't have to go back and forth.
Just admit it. You got the steering wheel confused
No.
with my directions.
The steering wheel had nothing to do with it.
Just
We'll
a little,
rewind this when we get home.
just a little bit,
No,
right?
not even a little bit, because you were going left and then right immediately, and I'm like,
No,
what the
but you're
hell?
oversteering it though.
If I was lined up at the bottom, I wouldn't have to do
We're not
nothing.
making a U-turn with this car. We're just like 1 inch on the steering wheel, like just a little bit, 1 inch at a time.
I did 1 inch.
No, you wasn't. Yeah, we're gonna rewind the video and edit it too.
No, we're not gonna.
We're gonna edit everything. That's embarrassing. We're supposed to be a professional car hauler, and we're like, you know, this is gonna be bad content. Well, let us know you guys want some more videos like this, because I don't. I just want to drive them up, no
And
problems.
see, with the stick shift, it's so difficult doing the
For
clutch.
you,
No.
not for me.
Whatever. You can. How are you gonna do the clutch, the brake when the emergency brake doesn't work? The clutch, the brake, and the gas.
You're giving it too much gas. You're like, we're not racing.
No. You don't understand. When it was at this point, it was stuck.
Okay.
It wasn't going any direction.
Excuses. Now you get an idea how to load those cars. Well, it would have been easier if we had an automatic.
Yeah, I would have.
And this one doesn't have any brakes.
There's a oil shock there, but once he puts the strap on, he's going to go ahead and take that off. And these wheel shocks were actually a good idea because of the emergency brake didn't work.